In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove birthdays from Google Calendar. If your Google Calendar feels a little too crowded and you'd rather not see birthday reminders mixed in with your events and appointments, the good news is that this is very easy to fix. On a computer, Google Calendar gives you a simple way to hide birthdays from your calendar view without affecting any of your other schedules or saved events. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once the calendar loads, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This area contains the list of calendars connected to your account, and it's where you can control what appears in your calendar view. You'll want to look under the section labeled My Calendars, or in some cases, Other Calendars. Depending on how your calendar is set up, the birthdays calendar may appear in either of these sections. This is the calendar that pulls in birthday information and displays it alongside your normal events. When you find birthdays in the list, simply uncheck the box next to it. As soon as you do that, all birthday entries will disappear from your current calendar view. This doesn't delete the birthdays themselves, and it won't remove any contact information. It only hides those birthday reminders from appearing on your calendar, which is helpful if you want a cleaner, more focused schedule. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same area and check the box again to make birthdays visible once more. So this setting is completely reversible and safe to use. A helpful tip is to make sure you're looking in the correct sidebar section if you don't spot birthdays right away. Sometimes users look only under My Calendars and miss it if it appears under Other Calendars instead. Also, if the left sidebar is collapsed or narrow, expanding it can make it easier to find the calendar list. That's really all there is to it. Open Google Calendar on your computer, locate the birthdays calendar on the left, and uncheck it to hide all birthday reminders from view. It's one of the quickest ways to simplify your calendar and keep your attention on the events that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove birthdays from Google Calendar.